Really quick tips for those of you guys that you want to release your liquidity, or you want to exchange your Bitcoin or your Ethereum or any of your token, and you are using the taker trade to make this transaction or this exchange. You're gonna be losing a lot. Instead of you using the conversion mode, which the fee is 0 fee in Binance, which I'm gonna be explaining all this as we move forward. But before we jump start, my name is Tolani Ola and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here on this channel, I give a lot of helpful tips such as investment tips, and also provide you with quality tech video to help you make better buying decision when you are out there to get new devices. So if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about this, then be sure to subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and also give this video likes if you actually get more value from it. So now we are now in the Binance app. As you can see right now, when you click on more, you're gonna scroll down right here, this trader, and you want to see convert, and let this load up. As you can see right now, I can convert any of my liquidity or my token. As you can see right here, you have the option to choose. You can choose whichever of your token you want to exchange, and you can see it said from and to. You can click and change this also to whatever token which you want to change right here. So when you are satisfied, you want to click on confirmed. So now, as you can see, and you're gonna input the price, and you're gonna put the quantity which you want to exchange from your spot wallet. As you can see that right there. So what this actually does is that it's quite different from you coming to the trader. And when you come to the trader, you are doing something different, which could make you lose most of your cryptocurrency. So now let's go back to this option right here. So what is the difference between this conversion right here and you coming down to this aspect right here, this trade dashboard right here, to exchange or to convert your liquidity? As you can see, a lot of us make mistake in this aspect right here. We mistakenly use a taker trade for conversion mode, because you are losing out when you go down to the trade and initiate your trade, which is going to be initiated as a taker trade, which you're going to be losing on the trade. But some of us want to only exchange our token, so you don't have to come down to this particular place if you want to convert. But if you want to trade, this is where you come. As you can see, you're on the trade tab. So if you want to convert, this is where you convert any of your token. This particular place, you come down to this and click on convert. This particular place does not have any charges. It's gonna charge you for converting. It has 0 fee of converting. So if you have been getting value out of this video so far, please be sure to give this video likes, because this will help this video to rank on YouTube, because this is how YouTube system actually works to rank video. And for those of you guys that want to ask question, leave a question down below in the comment section. I will be down there to read and reply to each and every one of you guys. And I want to say this for you guys: if you want to convert your crypto and know that you are selling for fund, you only want to convert it from one token to another, this will really help, because Binance is not charging for fee of conversion, but they are charging fee which is little. But the disadvantage is that whenever you want to convert, if you use this platform, you might lose your crypto value in exchange, because you want to set it to the market order. You are buying at the particular order of whichever token you are selling it out for. But if you want to convert, just make sure you come down to this, just scroll at this top, as you can see convert, click on it, and then you're gonna be exchanging whichever token and the amount. You can just change whichever one you want to exchange out. As you can see, you can change and set the amount and the quantity, and just preview order and confirm, and it's gonna be appearing into your spot wallet. So we'll come to the end of this video. Please be sure to give this video likes and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and bye, crypto family.